Hey there everyone, my name is Nathan and I'm the owner here at Minnesota Mobile Guy. If you're not already familiar with us, we're a business based here in the U.S. state of Minnesota, but we assist customers from all over the world with all sorts of different issues and services on their smartphones, tablets, and other mobile devices. One of the services that our customers most frequently ask us to perform is the SIM unlocking of a mobile device in order to be used with a different carrier or different network other than the one that originally sold it. By default, most mobile devices these days are going to come with some sort of lock that restricts them to only being used with the original wireless carrier that sold the device, and the device has to undergo some sort of unlock process in order to be used with a different carrier or a different network. Now, here with us today, we happen to have a Samsung Galaxy S7 Active that is originally from AT&T here in the US. And this is a device that has not yet been SIM unlocked because we have a non-AT&T SIM card inserted here, and we have the notification here telling us that it is an invalid SIM card and that it is network locked. And if we go ahead and swipe away the notification panel, we will see this screen here that asks for the network unlock code. So most of AT&T's devices still use the standard unlock code process, whereby AT&T will give you the code to unlock the device if you meet all of the requirements, and that's the big catch. So every wireless carrier has their own requirements that has to be met in order for them to do the SIM unlock for you. You usually have to be the original owner, and you have to have it active for a certain amount of time, and then there's other things that have to be met, like no unpaid bills and a whole bunch of other stuff. So we've been contacted by tons of customers over the years asking us for assistance with this specific issue on this specific model, usually either because they themselves wanted to change carriers away from AT&T before meeting all of the requirements, or also, unfortunately, it's very common for a buyer to buy a used phone from a dishonest seller who doesn't tell them that the device is still locked. The seller either claims that it's already SIM unlocked or that they can just immediately contact the original carrier to get it unlocked because it's already eligible, or whatever the story may be. But then after the purchase, the buyer discovers that's actually not true. The device is still locked. The carrier won't do it for them, and the seller has usually long since disappeared, and it's a very common scam that happens all the time these days with the buying and selling of used mobile devices. Now, there are also a lot of online companies that will offer to sell you the unlock code, businesses, websites, individuals, whatever it may be, but that usually involves waiting several business days. We're making this video to let any interested customers know that we do offer a service to be able to get this device SIM unlocked manually using our computer programs and tools. So that's done instantly without having to wait around to be sent an unlock code. Now, the procedure is something that we do directly to the device while it is plugged into a computer, but the great thing about this is that it's something that can be done for just about anyone, anywhere in the world. So you don't necessarily need to be located here in our local area in order for us to be able to do this for you. You would just need to have a decently powerful Windows computer along with a fast internet connection, and we can remotely connect right to your computer through the internet and perform the exact same procedure that we're doing right here, right now on this device. So we're actually demonstrating the procedure, not the actual steps of how it's done, but just keeping the phone in view the whole time so that everyone can actually see that the device was indeed locked before and that it will indeed be unlocked after. Our unlock program here just needs another couple minutes to finish running up and doing all of the steps. So I'm going to go ahead and fast forward the rest of the video just so we can skip ahead to the end and keep this as short and sweet as possible. So hold on while I do that here. Okay, our program has finished up running, so we should be all set here. I'm going to go ahead and unplug the cable. As you'll notice now, that invalid SIM card message has disappeared from the notification panel, so that is not showing there anymore. That is totally gone. And then if we swipe away the notification panel, we will see that it is no longer asking for that unlock code anymore. Then actually up in the corner, if we take a quick peek, we will be able to see that we are registered on T-Mobile, and that's actually the SIM card that we had inserted here was a T-Mobile one. So the device is now fully SIM unlocked and is totally usable with any other compatible GSM carriers. since AT&T is a GSM network. While we're here, I'm going to go ahead and jump into the settings just to show you again exactly what we're working with. So it's an S7 active originating from AT&T, which you could see on the startup screen when the phone was restarting, and then the specific model number there, the G891A, is a specific Samsung model number of this device. So if you have one of these S7 actives from AT&T and need help getting it SIM unlocked, we would love to help you out with that, so go ahead and get in touch with us. All of our contact information will be right down in the video description, and I'll also put a slide at the end of the video here that has all of the details there as well. While you're here, make sure to check out some of the other videos that we have on our channel, as we offer a lot of different services for a lot of different devices, and I'm sure you'll find something there that could come in handy someday. Hitting that subscribe button while you're there will also enable you to be notified of all of the new services and videos that we're constantly adding and putting up, just like we're doing with this one. Y para todos ustedes hispanohablantes, nosotros también hablamos español, así que ustedes nos pueden contactar sin duda. Thanks for watching, everyone, and have a great rest of your day.